Now, I am just taking you to the brief of Jito COVID Care Center. In response to the alarming spread of positive COVID-19 cases during the second wave, Jito Hyderabad chapter, as a part of its service initiative, is restarting Jito COVID Care Center at Hotel Lemon Tree, Banjara Hills from 23rd, that is from today. Jito Hyderabad has always been eager to do its bit in fight against COVID. Even during the first phase COVID Care Center, where nearly 500 patients were treated successfully, which was run by Jito Hyderabad at Hotel Fern, Secunderabad. This 100-bed facility in the city center would be an ideal isolation and quarantine facility for mild and asymptomatic COVID-19 patients. The center would be run in association with Mahavir Hospital and Research Center. The center is compliant with ICMR guidelines and is approved by the Telangana Health Department. Admission would be strictly restricted to COVID-positive patients aged between 15 to 60 years and oxygen levels above 95 without any past health issues. In addition to this, the approval of doctors at the center after physical verification and examination is mandatory. The center would serve pure vegetarian food. Patients would stay in AC deluxe rooms with TV and Wi-Fi facilities. Though it is a substitute to home quarantine and it is not a hospital, it will provide 24/7 doctor service and nursing facilities. The condition of the patients would be reviewed by the team of doctors on a daily basis. The patient would be provided with a medical kit consisting of thermometer, respirometer, sanitizers, mask and steam inhaler. Pharmacy, diagnostic services and consultation on video call with specialist doctors facility from Mahavir is available. In case of an emergency, ambulance transfer facility is also available. 7-day isolation stay at the facility is mandatory. COVID recovery 7-day package, the rates are given in the brochure which is kept at the table. Patients seeking admission can contact on JCCC helpline. Again, the numbers are given there. This center is being run with the funds from Jito Hyderabad and donations from philanthropists and from the members of Jito Hyderabad. Many corporates and MNCs are also tying up with the center to avail the facilities. Jito Hyderabad is having its ladies wing, youth wing, professional forum, business network, and all these wings are helping Jito Hyderabad in this humanitarian cause by taking the responsibility of working together. Center is managed with the support of Mahavir Hospital and Research Center, Hyderabad. Following are the office bearers of Hyderabad Jito, Kushalji Kankaria Chairman, myself as the Chief Secretary and Shri B.L. Bandari as the Treasurer. The project convener for JCCC is Shri Jayan Jain. I think he deserves a very big round of applause for having come forward in leading this JCCC. And he is being led by a team of young and dynamic committee members such as Shri B.L. Bandari, Mahesh Golecha, Shri Rohit Kothari, Shri Paresh Shah, Shri Sushil Sancheti. I request everyone to, we can applaud for our fellow members, please. And as the names are being called, I request you to kindly acknowledge yourself. Shri Sushilji Sancheti, Shri Nalin Khara, Shri Lalit Chopra, Shri Anil Bora, Shri Vishal Anchalia, Shri Vinod Gandhi, Shri Hitesh Vanigota, Shri Nikhil Shah, Shri Ritesh Sethia, Shri Abhay Tated, Shri Praveen Loda, Shri Sudhir Sethia, Shri Anandji Balgat, Shri Prashantji Kocheta, Shri Navinji Dasani, Shri Achokji Vajawat, Shri Ajayji Tholia, Shri Vijay Sangvi, Shri Manoj Parmar, Shri Jitendra Doshi and many more. Advisors for this project are Shri Gautam Chand Pokarna, Shri Gautam Choradia, Shri Gautam Munod, Shri Manoj Dugar and Shri Sunil Pahade. Apart from the above, the following members present are from MHRC, that is Mahavir Hospital, Shri Mahendraji Ranka. We thank you, sir, for being here. Chairman, Mahavir Hospital, Shri Sunilji Pahade, Shri Sushilji Kapadia and Shri Sushilji Sancheti, who is having a dual role. To effectively run the center, we have divided ourselves among the following teams: registration team, admission team, hotel management team, food committee, medicine and pharmacy, media and communication, accounts, and medical emergency committee. The team of doctors, I think they deserve a very big round of applause because they were the team who have been with us even in the first round of our JCCC center, and they have come forward by saying that we will be a part of this committee again. We thank you, Dr. K. Ram Babu, who is a very senior doctor and expert in treating COVID-affected patients. Dr. Shankar, I request you, everyone, to please give him a very big round of applause. Dr. Balwant, who are all very experienced doctors helping us in this center. We hope this facility will be of immense use to the affected people in these challenging times. Thanking you for your valuable time. The press note is attached and given to you in the written form also. I think you can just go through that. This is the first meeting that he is attending after becoming the director at the Apex. Am I right, Manoj bhai? So we are thankful to you, for sharing your experience at the home chapter. Thankful to you. And the last year when the center was started, it was under his chairmanship that the center was started. So I think that was the first center all over India. Am I right? So the first center, COVID center, was started in Hyderabad, and again we are starting this year for the second wave of the COVID. I now request the convener of Jito COVID Care Center, Sri Jayan Bhai, to please come forward and share his feelings and share the kind of working atmosphere that we are going to have on. And after that, we will have some question and answer session.